Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create HDR toning for foggy forest mode. Open your foggy forest photo in Photoshop, duplicate the main layer for safety and also enter the HDR toning panel. Now choose the low saturation type for mode and also increase detail to bring depth into fog. Lower exposure slightly for mystery, reduce highlights to maintain fog softness, raise gamma for soft mid-tone glow, and also add a touch of vibrance to green tones. Keep saturation low for cinematic mode and adjust details again for clarity, and also add a color balance layer for cool tones. Blend HDR with 75